MGF manhole shutter panels are pre-formed shutters that combine quickly and easily to create temporary formwork for pouring a nominal 150 mm concrete surround to precast concrete manhole rings. They are available in steel, and the range is suitable for manhole ring nominal diameters from 675 mm to 3000 mm. For details of the range of manhole rings that the shutter panels are suitable for, and the makeup of panels for each ring size, please refer to the MGF website or MGF product brochure. MGF shutter panels range can be extended upon request, but suitable strapping or support is required. Please contact MGF for further details. Shutter panels come in a series of 3 panel types: Type A, Type B, or Type C, and 2 panel heights, 900 or 1800, and are simply connected to each other using a pin and wedge detail. Each panel features integrated lifting points for ease of handling. Shutter panel assemblies should never be installed on top of each other. Before use, inspect the connecting faces of the panels to ensure they are clean of debris, defects, and that all the connecting pins and wedges are functioning. If using steel manhole shutter panels, then the use of a concrete release agent should be considered to prevent the concrete sticking to the panels. Prior to installation, the panels should be connected together to suit the concrete rings being used. Each panel must be securely connected. Using the supplied pins and wedges, secure the wedge in place using a hammer. MGF recommend the 2 largest panels in the assembly are used to create the final joint. Once each panel is connected together, it should be installed immediately. Connect a 4-leg lifting chain to the lifting points. The shutter assembly should then be carefully lowered over the precast concrete rings. Ensure panels are fully founded on level, stable ground. Prior to pouring in any concrete, ensure that the pin and wedges are in place and secure, and the shutters are evenly spaced around the manhole. Timber packers may be required. The concrete can now be poured between the concrete ring and the shutter panels. MGF can supply manhole ring safety platforms to assist with this process. Alternatively, the concrete can be directly poured between the manhole rings and the shutter panels. During use, visually check panels and joints for any signs of movement or distress. After the concrete has adequately set, strike to release the joints before releasing the panels from the concrete and lifting each panel individually out of the excavation. Take care when handling, stacking, or storing manhole shutter panels to avoid damage.